guys, happy Friday. This has been the worst week. I don't even know if I vlogged anything because work was so insanely stressful. It killed me. A long weekend. It's Thanksgiving weekend, so it's so fun. And yeah, very happy, very excited. But today will be a good day. I am seeing a friend tonight. I think late afternoon I'm gonna see some other friends and of course work for the most part. And yeah. But happy Friday. Yay, it's Friday. Alright guys, so the work day is done. I just worked at Starbucks and my friends and I were all supposed to meet at Muskoka Brewery at 4:45 and they're all late. So it's 4:49. I'm just chilling in my car because I don't want to go in there alone. I'll go in at 5 when they're probably past 5 late, but I'm not gonna just sit there alone for like 20 minutes, so just chilling in my car. Hi Elena! Hi! She's back. I'm back.
My hands are closed.
Okay. Oh, I'm slamming the door.
Oh.
I did it the wrong way. Little twisty twist right there.
It's the twisty.
Okay.
Something I've had before.
Okay.
Is it the Ryan Ginger one?
Yeah, it is.
It's my fave. No,
I have.
that you want it.
I want the world. Remember, she was good.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. It's actually 12:30. I'm eating breakfast. Yay. We had the best night with the girls. It was so needed. And we literally just hung out and watched the second episode of Dancing with the Stars. And they all left because they're all doing... I have a big canker sore, so I'm really sorry. I'm not slurring. Whatever. They all have their Thanksgiving today, so they left to be with their fam. I am getting coffee with a friend in like 20 minutes, but I'm just eating. Okay, you guys, I literally have my outfit figured out. Like, hey, which hoodie to wear. And I looked, and there was shit all over the back of that hoodie. Thank God I caught that. It would have been really embarrassing, but I'm just wearing jeans, and these shoes are such a mistake. I know it, because it just rained. And just like a zip-up hoodie and this thing over top. It's really not glamorous, but let's go get coffee with my friend. Good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. It is Canadian Thanksgiving today, and my mom and grandma are on their way up north. I'm so excited. Now I'm gonna do a little workout at home. My gym doesn't open for another hour, but my grandma and mom are gonna be here in like an hour and a half, so I just want to get it done so I can be here when they're here. So let's go do an at-home workout. Alright, you guys, it's now just past 10:30. If I have a lisp, it's because I have a really bad canker sore in my mouth. So excuse that, but I just got ready for the day. I just put some makeup on and like touched up my hair from my post-workout, showered, whatever. Butter. Jordan made pumpkin scones. The girls are cooking. I'm here. The football game's done. They're watching F1, so no fun for me, but I'm back. Thanksgiving.
Then it comes into like a river, and then it connects it to sheep.
You're welcome.
Hey! Happy birthday!
Alright guys, the Chiefs are playing now, so I'm in my Chiefs gear. Got a Chiefs hoodie, my Chiefs hat on. It's 10-3 against Vikings so far. Hello you guys! Welcome to the Cranfest Friendsgiving vlog. I just got up north, grabbed my things, and I'm going to Elena's. Because this year, it's all being hosted at hers. So let's go. Christmas!
Oh, thank you so much.
Coffee One more Bailey's.
It's coffee and Bailey's time. Woo! Sid's doing Italian lessons.
What's here?
We go up the fucking crazy rockway. We made it.
Year 3!
Yay! We're going to Jack and Stella for our festive cocktail. I was gonna say margarita, but there's more than that. Cheers, ladies. Happy Grand Fest.
Ooh. Those are good.
Oh my god, you guys look like yin and yang.
Wooden balls. Like, I love wooden balls so much.
Kenny, what are you doing here? Hello.
Craft distillery. I wonder if we can do shots.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get lost again.
They changed it up this year.
Wow. When they said the kissing booth.
Oh.
This does not seem very child friendly.
How am I supposed to do the math when... You guys look like a couple with your matching fits.
That's to feel like it more.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Is that a banana? Oh no. Cheers. Wow.
Sorry.
The girls got their LCBO shop.
The way I'm swinging it around. Just casual.
Margarita mix.
See you later.
We just finished up at Grand Fest and we're going home. We have to leave for dinner in about an hour, so probably just go back and chill and then go. But yeah, so it's gonna work on her essay tonight and then she's gonna pick us up later, which is so kind. So yeah, that's what's up.
Yay!
Yay! But it was really fun.
Sister's pottery made for.
Hi guys, so Alina just got hired at Tulo's.
What do you want?
Can I have a margarita?
Do you
Thank
want
you.
tequila or tequila? That's all we have.
I would like tequila, thank you.
Okay, I can do that.
So I said ordered a Guinness. Isn't it yummy?
So good. They're definitely not out.
Rock secured.
My rock.
It's a little bit windy. And wavy. Holy, you really made it wave. But we're going to do our big friendsgiving grocery shop. Oh yeah. It's the annual shop.
The big shop.
But independent.
Oh, you should have.
They've got the trolley. Our British queen.
What? Oh, you're making fun of me?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got everything we needed, and now we're heading home to cook. Have some coffee and put some tunes on and get going, but this turkey needs to go in the oven, so. Sid's eating her bagel. Alina's doing something with the something, but she's making the turkey. And I'm getting ready for pumpkin cheesecake. I really hope this works out. You're doing great! Thank you. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I will be drinking those all night.
Played
Yeah.
games.
I was so we did so many fun things. I started that you don't even know about. Here we are. My favorite person in the entire world is the elevator where
I'd much rather.
We're having so much fun.
And it's only the start.
And it's like literally 7 o'clock.
Lena, that you did that the first time I met you, and I literally thought you were fucking
Do
crazy.
you know the
Like, genuinely.
Good night, Jim K.
Bye.
Yeah, look where you are right now, Tyler.
But the judge said, whoa!
You spilled some beer.
Listen,
They're so cute. Good morning. We're doing well. So well. We're going to get food.
For no reason,
Just for fun. Look at it.
Easy steps, calming crystal spell. Problem with number 2.
Monday. I actually have the day off work because I was supposed to stay until Monday, but then we had a little, some things just went down and we had to leave yesterday. I won't get into it, but Monday I'm home. I have the day off work, so I'm gonna take it, and yeah. It's 9:20 a.m. I woke up at 8, slept in, and I've just been relaxing, had some coffee. I ate one of these like Power Crunch bars. Not my fave. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill for a bit. I'm watching Sam and Colby's Week at the Conjuring House. I've been so excited for this to come out, and it's out, and I started watching it last night, and then I realized, why the fuck am I watching a Conjuring video before I go to bed? The Conjuring is like the movie that really triggered my fear of horror movies. So I figured I should wait till today so I can have a whole day forgetting this. Alrighty guys, it's now 1:30. I painted my nails a nice little burgundy color for fall. I haven't been painting my nails, but I just felt inspired. And had a nice shower, did skincare. Just been literally having a little self-care day, been on Pinterest. Alrighty guys, it's 2 p.m. I'm going to the store and I'm gonna make a really yummy lunch and bake something. Just dropped $75 on literally nothing. It's my own fault though. First I got this granola. It's oatmeal cookie crunch. I've had it, it's delicious. Then I got pre-cooked chicken for my lunch. I just have a fear of cooking meat, and I thought today was gonna be the day. I got over it, and I looked at the raw chicken and said, I'll spend the extra money. I got the lettuce for the lunch. Just got this Cove kombucha for fun. Got this Primal Kitchen buffalo sauce. I've never tried it, but I thought it'd be good to coat the chicken in. So de gallo for the lunch. I got a perfect bar just for fun. I'll probably honestly eat it for breakfast tomorrow. Got coconut sugar for baking, coconut oil for baking, and a mini chocolate chip. I'm gonna make like a burrito bowl. So yeah, it should take me no time. I'm just gonna coat this chicken in this buffalo sauce and air fry it for a little bit. And then it'll be like lettuce, a little bit of rice, but not much. Guac, pico, corn. Maybe I'll throw some peppers and cumin and stuff and saute them in onion. Make a little burrito bowl for lunch.
Like snow whispers softly on the wind.
Alright, it looks a little anticlimactic, but this is the finished product. It's lettuce, that's the chicken all air fried, corn, onion, pepper, guac, pico de gallo, and then it's like this little like 7-grain salad mix. It's like couscous. So yeah, lunch. Okay guys, I'm just snuggling Charles, don't mind that, but that was amazing. I was gonna start baking, and then I realized that part 2 of Sam and Colby's Week at the Conjuring House came out, so I'm gonna work and watch this. It's an hour and 43 minutes, which I love Sam and Colby, so I'm so excited. Yay. Alright guys, I'm an hour in. It's been pretty good, kind of spooky. And I'm gonna go bake my pumpkin chocolate chip bars while this is gonna take like an hour to cook. So they'll be done when this is done.
On the go of carol sung of gifts we've known. Oh, the lilac snow.
Just took it out, you guys, and it looks pretty good. So it's literally like an oatmeal baked pumpkin chocolate chip little loaf. I know it's shaped really weird, but I didn't have a small enough pan, so I shaped it myself. While that cools, let's go continue to be terrified. And then we'll go on a walk.